of renewable energy sources: solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, and geothermal energy, and tidal energy, and wave energy. First, we will see the solar energy. The solar energy will be energized from the sun radiation. Okay. Then we give the converting to the direct to the electricity and solar thermal system. Wind energy. Wind energy is the processing to the convert to the kinetic energy. There are the two types, horizontal and vertical types. Then we will generate to the convert to the transformer and there to the electricity also. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is the form of the renewable energy derived from the organic material and plant and waste material to store the gas type or air type related for the biomass energy. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the form of the renewable energy sources depending on the natural heat storage and for the within the earth energy. The processing for the limited period only we will use on the energy for the geothermal. Tidal energy. We use on the seas and river only we will use on the tidal energy and generate the movement of the water level to improve the upper and to the lower part of the only we push the force of the level and improve the sea level fall of the sea level and it can be converted to the electricity using on the variable temperature. Finally, we see the wave energy. Tidal energy and wave energy become same, but little bit of the energy storage to the convert to the mechanisms is the lowest to the wave energy. Based on to the motion of the wave to the channel to the convert to the air column to the turbine. We see on the generating. Thank you.